Now that we've looked at functions, we're going to look at ways that you can use functions to answer some kind of application problems that you might see. So we see functions in lots of different applications. So we'll do one here, and then there are a couple examples just for you to get started. And we'll keep trying to do a lot of the applications of the math we learn on Fridays. So that's something you can kind of expect to see as the course progresses. So this question says the amount of trash in a dumpster is currently 100 pounds, and it is growing at a rate of 2 pounds per day. If y represents the number of days, the amount of trash can be found with this function. So we have this function with the amount of trash, t, after so many days, y is equal to 100 plus 2y. So this is something you're always given. You don't have to make these up. You're going to be given some function like this. So if you want to find t of 8, how many days has it been? So if you notice, inside my function, I've replaced y with 8. Now, if you read the beginning of this problem, it says y is the number of days that this trash has been accumulating. So since there's an 8 in here, it is just simply 8 days. Now, the second question says, all right, so we know it's been 8 days. What is t of 8? So t of 8 is actually going to find how much trash is in this dumpster after 8 days. Now, t of 8, remember, if there's a number in there, we simply replace the y in the function with that number. So the function is 100 plus 2y. So this simply becomes 100 plus 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16, so 100 plus 16 is 116. And this would be in pounds, because the weight of the trash is in pounds. So the 8 represents the days, I plug it in, and then I get the amount of trash after 8 days. So the last question that it says, okay, we keep filling this as trash. If the bin is full at 200 pounds, how long until it's full? So what we're trying to figure in this case, we want to know what is y. How many days is it going to be? So if I start with t of y equals 100 plus 2y, then I want to know y. But what I know is I know the amount. I know the amount is 200, so I know t of y is 200. So if I put that in, I get 200 equals 100 plus 2y. Now you could guess y's, you could keep guessing and doing more and more until you found 200, but a more algebraic approach is this. So I'll subtract 100 from both sides, and I'm just solving this like an algebraic equation now. So 100 equals 2y. I'll divide both sides by 2. This is going to yield y equals 50, because 100 divided by 2 is 50. So it will take 50 days to fill the can, fill the dumpster. So for the hybrid, you'll try a couple of these. Remember, your answers will check green on this book widget when you get the answers correct. But if you have questions, I encourage you to visit me during my office hours, send me an email, and we can help you out with any questions you may have.